depth of mercy can there be? Mercy still reserved for me. Can my God your wrath forbear me, the chief of sinners, spare? I have long withstood your grace, long provoked you to your face, would not hearken to your calls, grieved you by 1,000 falls. Now incline me to repent. Let me now my sins lament. Now my foul revolt deplore. Weep, believe, and sin no more. Weep, believe, and sin no more.